If you work in spreadsheets often, freezing the first row in LibreOffice Calc can make a huge difference. It keeps your headers visible while you scroll, so you always know what each column means. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to freeze the first row in LibreOffice Calc step by step. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you want to start with a new file, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. You can also open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one that you want to work on. Once your spreadsheet is open, the key step is to click the row number 2 on the left side. Make sure you click the entire row, not just a cell. This tells LibreOffice that you want to freeze everything above that line, which means the first row will stay locked in place. After that, go up to the top menu and click View. This is where the display and window options are located in LibreOffice Calc. From the View menu, look for Freeze Rows and Columns. Depending on your version, you may see it listed clearly as Freeze Rows and Columns, so just click that option. When you click Freeze Rows and Columns, LibreOffice will immediately apply the freeze. The first row will now stay visible while you scroll down through your spreadsheet. That means your column headers remain on screen, which makes it much easier to read large sheets, compare values, and avoid confusion. If you ever want to undo it later, you can go back to View and turn off the freeze option the same way, so the process is simple. Open LibreOffice Calc, click row 2, go to View, choose Freeze Rows and Columns, and your first row will remain fixed at the top. This is one of those small productivity tricks that can save you time every single day, especially if you're working with budgets, lists, reports, or data tables. It helps keep everything organized and much easier to navigate. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice tips, beginner guides, and easy step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.